Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be drawing a set of lovebirds. Um, and I use my pastel pencils to finish off this piece. My mom inspired this piece. She was seeing my my birds artwork, and she said, "I think you should try to make some lovebirds." So I was like, "Okay, I'll give it a try." And I used not just my um, pastel pencils. I used pastel sticks as well for the background. I wanted it to be blurry, like a blurred out background. And I used my silicone brushes to blend out the background too. These things are pretty awesome. You can find them on Amazon. I think about $5 or $6 for a pack of like 6 of them that have different tips on the end of it. I try to always go in with the graying of the feathers um, when I'm doing birds. It helps um, in case something doesn't get completely blended out or whatever. Even on the first layer, I just kind of try to go with the direction in which the feathers go. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.